Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Google's NotebookLM, which is an AI-powered research tool, as we have discussed previously on the channel, the NotebookLM has got quite a significant update, which Google has announced recently, where Google is now rolling out video overviews, which is a new visual companion to existing audio overviews, which according to Google is designed to break down complex material using narrated slides and illustrations. So just to show you how this all works, if we select one of our sources and we click on video overview, it says generating video overview. This may take a while. Now, these AI-generated videos, according to Google, pull from your documents, creating visuals with quotes, data, diagrams, and other supporting content. And you can also guide the output with specific prompts. Now, as you can see, it says this may take a while. So it does take at least 5 to 10 minutes on my device. So I'm just going to use a video overview I generated before posting just to give you a general idea. So if we click play, once that's been generated, it says the hidden story of a boring PDF. Now it's pulled that from my Untitled Notebook, which is basically a PDF sample. So if we click on play.
Okay, so take a look at this. On the surface, it's about as boring as it gets.
And then you can cue that.
That leads us to its It's better. It doesn't even stop. No, that would be too simple.
So you get the general idea, and obviously you can make that full screen. You can go back 10 seconds, rewind, skip forward, and you can change the playback speed and so on. So a good couple of options. And these video overviews, according to Google, are now available only in English, with more languages expected soon. Now, over and above the video overviews, Google has announced that it's also introducing upgrades to the Studio panel, which is where you would create things such as audio overviews, as mentioned, and notes in NotebookLM, which includes now multiple audio overviews and content sharing. And more specifically, Google says you can now generate multiple audio overviews in a single notebook, which means you can now create versions in different languages from the same source material, or generate a set of audio overviews that each focus on different subsections of your sources, which basically means at the end of the day, you can now create multiple mind maps, reports, or overviews and organize them all in one place now in your Studio panel, which I think is a nice move in the right direction. And over and above that, there's also, as we can see, a new layout with clear tiles, which I quite enjoy. Just brings a nice separation. And you also get a list of your created content below that, as you can see, which you can delete, share, download, and rename. So you've got a good couple of options there. And another nice thing is you can also play an audio overview, as an example, while reviewing a mind map. So there is some multitasking functionality that's now available with the Studio panel. And according to Google, the update is rolling out now and should reach all users over the next couple of weeks. So just bringing that to your attention if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and are using NotebookLM, which, as mentioned, is a AI-powered research tool. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.